Yeah, let's get it. uh, stop. Just stop. Stop when you hear the sound. Stop when you hear the sound. Stop when you hear the sound. Cause it's about to go down. Stop when you hear the sound. Stop when you hear the sound. Stop when you hear the sound. Cause it's about to go down. Why you tryna do me like that? Why you acting stupid like that? Y'all already know that I'm strapped. I just be up in the trap, yeah. Why you tryna play me? But just put your gun on safety. Hey, that's all you gotta do, fool. It's not that hard, bro. Y'all already know me though. You my little homie though. It's me and my boys. Y'all already know we out here making noise like. Y'all already know us. Keeping it all up on the low, bruh. Yeah, man, this is Lil Flex. Y'all already know, little sucker, I'm up next. Stop when you hear the sound. Stop when you hear the sound. Stop when you hear the sound. Cause it's about to go down. It says stop when you hear the sound. Stop when you hear the sound. Stop when you hear the sound. Cause it's about to go down. Y'all already know this beat is crazy. Yeah, man, I'm not like Ray J. Oh my God, JK. That stands for just kidding. Oh girl, no you didn't. Why you acting silly? You don't wanna kill me. Cause I'm the best there ever was, G. Yeah, I don't even know what you're trying to say. Just know that Lil Flex don't play when he's up on the track. Y'all already know this is bullcrap. Why am I even in the rap game? I don't even know, man, I'm not looking for fame. I'm just trying to get money out the way. Don't try to get me started like that, fool. You don't even know me. Keep it all up on the low, homie. Yeah. Worldwide collaborations, let's move. Let's get it. Oh man. Y'all little sucker must be tripping.